Hi, everyone. Did you know that adding strawberries to your daily diet can bring amazing health benefits? Here's why. Rich in vitamins. High in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes skin health. Antioxidants. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which help fight inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Heart health. Contain fiber and polyphenol that support cardiovascular health by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Aids digestion. High fiber content promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Low in calories. A nutritious, low-calorie snack that can aid in weight management. Blood sugar regulation. Have a low glycemic index, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Rich in manganese and folate. Essential for bone health, metabolism, and cell function. Hydration. High water content helps keep you hydrated. The best time to eat strawberries depends on your daily routine and health goals. Morning. Start your day with strawberries for a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. Pre-workout. Enjoy strawberries 30 minutes before exercising for a natural energy boost. Post-workout. Eat strawberries after a workout to help replenish glycogen stores and aid recovery. Mid-morning or afternoon snack. A healthy, refreshing snack to keep your energy levels stable. Dessert. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a nutritious option by having strawberries as a dessert. Strawberries are versatile and can be enjoyed at any time that fits your lifestyle.